Hello, hello, my fellow mathletes. Thank you for joining me here for more of the 2009 Manitoba contest. We are up to question number 9. A, B, and C are points on a circle of radius 1, such that AB is root 2, and already I'm thinking, okay, connect that chord up to the center and you've got a right angle triangle. And angle ABC is 60 degrees. Find the length of AC. Let's draw a quick picture here. A bit ovally for my taste, but it doesn't really matter as long as we understand the picture. So we have A, B, C, and we know AB is square root 2. And as I said already, I'm feeling like we should just connect these up to the center. Heck, we could even connect this one up to the center. I don't know if that's going to help. But we got 1s here, and that forces this to be a right angle, even though, admittedly, my picture, it doesn't look like that. And what else do we know? So we want AC, and we know that angle ABC is 60 degrees. Okay, so I'll say something like let O be the center, because we have to explain what we're doing. So let O be the center, AOB is right angled and isosceles. For verification, you just do sort of it's clearly isosceles, but if you wanted to double check that it is right, AB squared is indeed AO squared plus OB squared. 2 is 1 plus 1. Okay. So, yes, we have a right angle here. I don't know if that's actually going to help. But what we do know is we've got, it's isosceles, so we get 40. Actually, we have a whole bunch of isosceles triangles. Interesting. So this angle here is 45 degrees. This is 45 degrees. Pi by 4, really, but they gave us degrees, so we'll keep using degrees rather than radians. So we can conclude from there this angle, because this is 60, this is 15. And that tells me then that this is 15. And that should be enough to get these other two angles. Now, I don't know if I'm going to need them. If those are 15, I can get this angle here, and then I suppose we can cosine law everything till the end. So, angle ABO is 45 degrees, and then that tells me that angle OBC is 15 degrees. Therefore, angle OCB is 15 degrees. And then that tells me that angle BOC, so we do need to use that right angle bit here as well. Angle BOC is equal to 180 minus 30, so 150 degrees. And so combining that with our 90 degrees, that tells me that angle AOC is, so 90 plus 150 is 240. Angle AOC is going to be 12 degrees. Or sorry, 120 degrees. 120, yeah, because 90, 120, and 150, that's a arithmetic sequence with difference of 30, so this is the middle term. It should be 1/3 of 360. Okay. So now, by cosine law, because we know each of these is 1, so by cosine law, AC squared is 1 squared plus 1 squared minus 2, 1 times 1 times cos of 120. Cos of 120 is negative a half. So this will be 1 plus 1 minus 2 times negative a half. So that will be 1 plus 1 plus 1, or 3. And that tells me that AC is going to be square root 3. So not a bad question 9. Usually I don't get to write question 9 on a single page. But and there might have been another way to do it. I just like the cosine law because it was right there. I wonder if there were other ways to do it. Maybe drop an altitude, something like that. I don't know. I definitely think trig would have to be involved. But doesn't matter. We get AC is square root 3. If it was cosine of anything else, like cosine of 160, we would have had absolutely no idea how to do it. But cosine 120 is one of those special angles that we like. So we'll end the video for question 9 there. And I will see you guys, if you care to join me, in the next video for question number 10.